Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to check the DNS server using command prompt in Windows 11 or Windows 10. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It converts websites names like google.com into IP addresses so your computer can connect to websites. Sometimes users change DNS servers to improve internet speed, security, or privacy. If you want to see which DNS server your computer is using, you can easily check it using command prompt. So let's get started. First, you need to open command prompt. For that, click on the start button and then type cmd. In the search results, click on the command prompt entry. To open it, here you need to type ipconfig space /all. After that, press enter on the keyboard. I will put this one video description. Put this one command in this one video description. After running this command, you will see detailed network information. Scroll down through the results and find your network adapter such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on how your computer is connected to internet. Under that section, look for DNS servers. Here you will see the DNS server addresses that your system is currently using. If your DNS is set automatically, the addresses will usually come from your router. If you see configured a custom DNS server such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, those addresses will appear here. That's it. This is how you can check the DNS server using command prompt in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.